DHC Deep Cleansing Oil, 4.1 Fluid Oz. DHC Deep Cleansing Oil is a facial cleansing oil and makeup remover. This oil-based cleanser melts away makeup and dissolves impurities, leaving your skin clean, soft, and radiant. Works on the scientific premise that like attracts like. Applied with dry hands on your dry face, this rich, naturally golden-hued olive oil-based cleanser binds with dirt and effortlessly breaks down sunscreen, sebum and stubborn makeup, like waterproof mascara and eyeliner, without clogging your pores. Botanical formulation features antioxidant-rich organic olive oil and vitamin E to hydrate, soften and protect against free radical damage, and rosemary leaf oil to invigorate and refresh. The original Japanese first-step oil cleanser melts away makeup and dissolves impurities, leaving your skin clean, soft and radiant. Ideal for all skin types. Top reviews from the United States. Great for removing makeup. Saw this recommended for double cleansing by a dermatologist on IG. She uses this to remove her makeup before using another cleanser. I have been using it that way for the past few days and I love it. Gets off almost every bit of my eye makeup and I am no longer staining hand towels.